What is going on, boys? Today we're actually taking off this front mount intake. Man, I'm gonna miss this thing. I've been running the front mount for like way over a year. We're switching it over to this engine bay intake. It's just an Alibaba one, so it's not branded or nothing. Same with the front mount intake actually. Because for intakes, I don't think you have to get anything crazy. They're just a tube pretty much with the little spot right there for your sensor. Y'all can see it on this one, just like that. The reason I'm switching over to that is just because it's snowing so much. I've never had any problems with it though. And people worry about the same thing in the rain. I think you're safe with the front mount, but just for peace of mind and also just to switch it up, because like I said, I've been running this intake forever. That one is going to sound a lot better from like a driver's POV. The front mount, you can hear it, but it sounds a lot crazier from outside the car. So yeah, I'm excited to see what this sounds like. Just gonna show y'all a little time lapse of me swapping it over and take it for a little drive after. Hope you boys enjoy it. Hey, to be honest, bro, I got all this connected up. That was pretty simple. It just bolts right onto the turbo inlet down there. Next step would be to add the filter, like right here. I can just do that and it's done with, and I'm pretty sure that is what I'm gonna be doing. It does come with a heat shield as well, but it did not come with an instruction manual, so that's one thing about buying stuff from Alibaba, I guess. So we have it all connected. I'm gonna give it a first startup. I think I do want to put the heat shield on though. Maybe not today. I'm gonna test it out, like I said, see how it runs, because just with the heat shield it just looks more organized in there, I find.
Meanwhile,
by the way, the only downside as well, I don't have a grill as yet. I did order one that should be here in a couple days.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
From one grill to no grills. Alright, let's rev this thing right here, what it sounds like. Boys, this thing sounds so crazy with the new intake. I don't even have my head mount set up or nothing. I'm just doing a quick little spin for y'all. Let you guys, it sounds a lot different though. Damn, it sounds pretty good though, I can't lie. And see, I feel like that's what any like B58 with a regular intake in the engine bay sounds like. So that's why I said I don't think for intakes you gotta go crazy. It's just a tube with your sensor on it and a filter. That's all. Alright, let me just try to let y'all hear it a little better. I wonder if with the heat shield around it, if it sounds like more quiet. Performance wise, it shouldn't make a difference. I can't tell if it does, because damn, the snow is almost coming in my car. But yeah, even if it does make a difference, I won't even be able to hook to know if it feels faster. But intake is not gonna do nothing to your performance. Bruh. That just sounds so good. I have the grills out right now. Let me show y'all what it looks like, by the way. I have both grills out. It actually looks insane. This car goes through so much different phases, I feel like. Like, I had the TE phase. I had the one grill look with the front mount. Now I have this. Bro, this actually looks so crazy. Oh damn, there's a car behind me. He just went around. Chill guy though. But yeah, this actually looks crazy with no grills. Maybe it looks better without grills than it does with one.